I don't know how soon the mom is going to be back, so I gotta hurry. These little baby birds were born in my reef on my door, front door. Embrace, get back in here. I don't know what kind they are, but they're cute. There's 4 of them. I've decided to name them Scout, Boo, Jim, and Atticus, after To Kill a Mockingbird. As you can see, they've pretty much destroyed my reef. I'll have to toss it when they're grown and gone, but it's adorable. They look sleepy now. Oh, it's okay. I won't approach you. Anyway, just wanted to show everyone.